Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to turn off Caption on Peacock TV. In order to turn off captions on Peacock TV, first of all, go ahead and open a web browser and sign into peacocktv.com. Once you're logged into your Peacock TV account, go ahead and scroll down and search for a movie or TV show that you'd like to watch. Click on the movie or TV show or any content. The content will start playing. After selecting any content, you will end up in this loading screen where you'll need to wait for a few minutes and then the content will start playing. After it starts, go ahead and click on this speech bubble kinda icon at the bottom left, which will then open up the subtitles and audio menu. To turn off captions, click on the off button right next to subtitles. After you do that, you will be able to disable your caption. So that is how you will be able to turn off captions or subtitles on Peacock TV. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.